See, can I call my mom? I know you're not going to let me use the phone.
What's going on, gang? Today we're back for another video for your viewing pleasure. It's going to be Kennedy Walker, sovereign citizen extraordinaire. He's going to be involved in a little bit of a traffic stop for a warrant here, and then he's going to go to court, and he's going to get found guilty of a bunch of stuff, and it's just crazy. He is a legal expert. He knows the law like the back of his hand. So he should get out of this pretty well. We're going to go from a traffic stop to a very brief viewing of what's going on in court, and then we're going to get right to the verdict. So we'll see how he makes out with all his legal knowledge. Here we go. Okay, this is Mr. Kennedy Walker in the court. This over here all blurred out, that is the jury. He's illegally filming the jury in the courtroom. He doesn't have permission to film, but of course he does it anyways. I'm not going to play any of this. You can see the jury getting up and leaving. Anyway, let's move right along to the traffic stop. This is where the jury got selected. He thought it was necessary to film this because reasons, I guess. Anyway, let's get on to the traffic stop.
Hello?
Hello, Deputy Rice Sheriff's Office.
Hi.
Kenneth Walker?
I don't answer questions.
Huh?
I don't answer questions.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you with the traffic going by.
I don't answer questions. What do you need?
Okay, well, I know that you're Kenneth Walker, and I need you to step out of the vehicle. You're under arrest. You have a warrant for your arrest.
For what? I just left court.
It's an extraditable warrant out of Idaho. And I see you're recording. I'm recording too, just to let you know.
I just barely left court and I didn't identify.
To our attention.
And you're saying I have a warrant out of Idaho?
Yes, that's what I'm being advised.
So I gotta step out and I'm under arrest? Is that what it is? Let's see, can I call my mom? I know you're not going to let me use the phone.
Mom?
Hi, Bubby.
Mom, there's something I need to tell you.
What is it, Kyle?
At the jail.
Huh?
Can I call my mom? I know you're not going to let me use the phone at the jail.
The jail will let you make phone calls.
Let's have a look at our legal scholar here, the man who knows more about the law than anyone in the universe. This is Kennedy Walker. He lives with his mother, of course, naturally, and he's about 40 years old, and he just never grew up. He's like Peter Pan. He's got that kind of thing going on. Anyway, let's get back to the traffic stop.
Let's see. Can I speak with your supervisor?
Is there a reason why?
Yeah, I want to know how you got a positive ID on me.
Window only. That, like, when the car's going by, I can't hear you.
How did you get a positive ID on me?
Because I know who you are.
I don't know you. I didn't identify to you. Can I get your supervisor?
I can see if one's available, sure. Are you not going to comply with my lawful orders to step out of your vehicle?
You don't know my identity, do you?
I do. I know you're Kenneth Walker.
I've never met you before, so...
But I know who you are. I know you're Kenneth Walker.
Do you have a warrant with my name on it?
In my possession, no. There is a warrant for your arrest. I'm being advised.
Well, I need to see that warrant before I'm going to submit to a seizure. Dude, I just left court. Why are you bothering me?
Because he recognizes you from your mugshot. He happens to know that you have a warrant for your arrest. You're going to come up with a little technicality that your name isn't Kenneth, it's Kennedy, but that's irrelevant. Anyway, you weren't in court for what he's pulling you over for, so just get the hell out of the car. I know you think you're a legal scholar, but you're nothing but another idiot on YouTube.
He's requesting a supervisor. He's not complying.
Do you have a warrant to seize me?
Yes, there's a warrant for your arrest.
Well, show me it.
Well, in this situation, I don't have to show you the warrant. It'll be provided to you.
Well, you didn't use...
Step out of the vehicle, please.
Who do you want to step out?
Kenneth Walker.
That's not me.
Oh, it's not, huh? So are you going to give me false info?
No, you're giving me false info. I don't know you.
That's my purse! I don't know you!
I don't need to prove anything to you.
Lawful traffic stop. Your vehicle's not registered.
A seizure,
I know who you are.
which you need a
I
warrant.
know your name is Kenneth Walker.
It's not. It's not, dude. I'm telling you.
We're gonna go on and zoom ahead to when he finally gets out of the vehicle, because this takes forever. It's ridiculous.
Well, if your name isn't Kenneth Walker, then provide ID.
I don't need to prove anything. You need to prove you have a right to...
What's your name then?
I don't answer questions. Am I free to go?
So, as of right now, it's a lawful traffic stop. Failure to provide ID is also a crime in Oregon.
No, that's a seizure. That's a search or a seizure of my
No,
identity.
lawful traffic stop. You don't have plates in the vehicle.
Stop means seizure.
And he's
Okay, step
get
out.
out the vehicle.
Step out.
Hold on, I'm injured. Hold
Get out
on.
the vehicle.
I'm disabled. Okay. Now hold on.
We're not going to hurt you.
Well, you're seizing me without a warrant, and
there
you
is a
don't know my name. What's my name?
Kenneth Walker.
No, it isn't.
What is it then?
I don't answer questions.
Well, if you're saying your name isn't Kenneth Walker, which I know it is, it'd be simple to prove otherwise if you have a lawful ID saying that it isn't.
I don't need to prove anything to you. You need to prove that you've got a reason to bother me.
You have a warrant for your arrest. I know.
What's
you're
my
Kenneth
name
Walker.
then?
Kenneth Walker. I'm not.
No, it
playing this
isn't.
game. Step up. Come on.
Dude, it's not my name. Hold on a second.
Let's speed it up yet again, because this just simply goes on forever.
If you have something in your possession that is not allowed in the jail, such as weapons, narcotics, anything like that, tobacco products, it's considered contraband. Okay, right here, sir. Right here. So, you said you're injured and have disability.
I need to
Can your hands go behind your back?
Why do you want to put my hands behind my
Because you're
back?
under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You don't even have my name.
Kenneth Walker.
That's not my name. What? Dude, what is going on with you guys? Jeez.
Okay, so I don't cause you any discomfort to your injuries. I'm gonna place cuffs in front of you.
Did I have
Okay.
problems with my muscles? Yeah.
Okay. So that's why I'm gonna place these in front of you.
Okay.
Okay. And just let you know, I am going to pat you down for weapons.
No, I
It means
don't
of an
submit to
escape.
any
That's fine. You don't have to submit to this.
You don't have a warrant, so I feel like I should have the option of refusing.
From this point on, his video gets all wonky and you can't hear what he's saying, and it's just crazy talk from him. Anyway, they get him to the jailhouse, and we'll jump ahead to that where it gets even worse.
Okay.
All right, you just show me the warrant, and I'll just tell you if it's
They're
me or
going to
not.
get you a copy of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't do it.
Like I said, the video and the audio is simply awful. So we're going to go and jump ahead to his court trial, which I'm only going to show you a minute or so of it because it's almost unhearable. All right, here we go. Well, here we are in court, and that's the jury up there, which he felt, necessary to film, and I blurred him out. Anyway, we're going to go right to the result, the end result of this trial, according to him. He found it very important to let us know exactly why his video was so crappy. This is only a partial recording of the trial, and I was arrested, my car seized without a warrant after leaving the courthouse after 1 day of trial. The jury selection. Okay, I wasn't paying attention to my camera and seemed to be having problems with it staying on. This is basically just a sample of everything that occurred. Now let's see what the end result of his actual trial was. And here's the result. He didn't actually film the trial itself. He must have got caught with a camera or something because he didn't film that. But anyway, found guilty of 2 charges: intent to distribute, felony, and possession of a Schedule I controlled substance. 2 witnesses testified for the state that they admitted that they had never saw any drugs that should be seen, any drugs at all, and the police did not seize any drugs. In Oregon, the voters have decriminalized all substances with Proposition 110 and declared mushrooms a therapeutically beneficial substance with Proposition 109 in 2020. All property is protected under the Fourth Amendment. All crimes need to have an actual victim that can prove damages. Even if we use the state's unconstitutional statute, I wasn't accused of selling drugs to anyone or attempting to, but was instead convicted on a sign. But there are multiple ways to get people magic mushrooms that are 100% in compliance. The drug war is treason and terrorism. Okay, found guilty on both charges, but you're still saying you're innocent. That makes complete sense to me, and probably nobody else. Anyway, I can't disagree that weed and stuff like that is not that bad of a thing, but if it's illegal in your state, it's illegal in your state. You're guilty. Goodbye. Adios. Anyway, talk to your mom about it. Maybe she can help you understand. She hasn't been able to up to this point, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a fantastic day. Love ya. Bye.
This case is about justice, constitutional protections, and the abuse of power by a system that no longer respects its own laws. The government has the burden of proof, and they cannot meet that burden in this case. Corpus delicti it's Latin, it's an ancient principle of how we determine what a crime is. And what it means is the body of the crime. So if we see a body that's been killed, we can maybe assume there might have been a murder. Well, the same can't be said for property crimes at all, because there is no injured party. No one can demonstrate harm. We can't even be sure that we're talking about a violation of anyone, because there is no one willing to stand up and say, I'm the victim. The Supremacy Clause, Article 6, ensures that federal protections and rights guaranteed by the Constitution override any state law or policy that conflicts with them. So this has something to do with, every part of this case. The prosecution claims that they've got evidence. Well, I don't have a search warrant for any of these searches that the prosecutor's talking about. We follow a specific order where the judge is required to make a judgment call about whether there's going to be a search. That didn't happen. Any evidence, video or anything else, it's not admissible. It was not seized with a warrant. That warrant needs to come with a sworn statement, and it must include damages so that we can be sure that it's not someone's political belief or someone's religious belief, but that it is actually a crime that needs to be stopped. If the police are protecting the people, what are they protecting them from if there's no victim? Historically, prohibition's been tried before. It was illegal then. It was overturned then. And it failed because it violated property rights protected by the Fourth Amendment. Persons, houses, papers, effects. The same principle applies here. In America, we have a right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Now, you might not notice, but I've got a pretty severe neurological disease. Who is someone else to tell me what my beliefs are on treatment of it when the doctors can't solve it? Why wouldn't I be free to do whatever I want as long as I'm not creating a victim? Now that might all be extraneous, and it might be too much to worry about, because the facts of this case are, it's a property crime. They don't have any property. Someone wants to claim that I had an illegal substance. Why didn't he seize it?